The Leica Q series has always sparked debate among photographers, leaving many to wonder whether to buy the current model or wait for the next one. That conversation has intensified as attention shifts from the well-received Q3 to the highly anticipated Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has adhered to a 4-year release cycle for its Q cameras, but rapid technological advancements and mounting competition have fueled speculation that the Q4 might arrive earlier. Unexpected. If so, it could become one of the most exciting camera launches in recent Leica history. When the original Leica Q launched in 2015, it set a new standard for compact full-frame cameras. By combining Leica's renowned craftsmanship with modern imaging innovation, it delivered a small yet luxurious camera capable of exceptional image quality. Pairing a full-frame sensor with a fixed 28mm lens was unconventional but brilliantly executed, offering photographers the distinct Leica aesthetic in a highly portable form. The camera balanced simplicity with professional-level performance, appealing to both enthusiasts and professionals who wanted Leica quality without the bulk of an interchangeable lens system. The Q2 built on this foundation with a 47-megapixel sensor, improved weather sealing, and refined ergonomics that enhanced handling and comfort. Leica showed that a compact camera could deliver top-tier performance without compromise. The Q3 pushed boundaries even further, introducing a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and for the first time in the series, 8K video recording. It blurred the lines between still photography and video, positioning Leica as a brand capable of meeting the demands of hybrid creators while maintaining its signature aesthetic. As the rumor mill churns around the Q4, expectations are at an all-time high. Leica has historically favored incremental refinement rather than radical redesign, but in today's competitive market, innovation is essential. Reports suggest the Q4 could feature a stat CMOS sensor, which would drastically improve readout speed, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance. This upgrade could place Leica's compact cameras on par with high-end mirrorless systems, offering capabilities previously reserved for larger, more complex bodies. A stacked sensor would also enhance video capabilities, enabling smoother recording, faster autofocus, and reduced lag. The autofocus system itself is expected to see major improvements, potentially including AI-powered subject recognition, advanced eye and animal detection, and predictive algorithms. Such enhancements would make the camera highly reliable in fast-paced environments, whether capturing street scenes, low-light action, or spontaneous moments. Video performance may also see a significant boost. While the Q3 impressed with 8K video, long recording sessions were sometimes limited by overheating. The Q4 could resolve these issues with improved thermal management, allowing extended recording times. High frame rate 4K video for slow-motion capture could also be part of the package, making it a true hybrid camera for both photographers and videographers. Pairing this technology with Leica's compact, timeless design would produce a system capable of rivaling much larger cameras while remaining elegant and portable. Low-light performance is another area expected to benefit from the new sensor and updated processing. Leica's 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens already performs well in dim conditions, but cleaner high-ISO performance, more accurate colors, and better shadow detail could elevate the camera's versatility even further. For photographers who work in unpredictable lighting, such as travel or street shooters, these improvements could make the Q4 an essential tool. Design refinements are likely to be subtle yet impactful. Leica's philosophy of evolutionary improvement suggests the Q4 will maintain the Q3's understated elegance while offering ergonomic enhancements, such as a deeper grip, lighter body materials, and smarter button placement. These small changes can dramatically improve comfort during long shooting sessions, making the camera more enjoyable to use. The electronic viewfinder could see a major upgrade as well. The Q3 featured a 5.76 million EVF, but the Q4 might boast a 9.44 million display with faster refresh rates, delivering an even more immersive and precise experience for framing and focusing. The rear screen could transition from a tilting to a fully articulating design, appealing to vloggers and content creators. Touchscreen responsiveness and menu customization are also expected to improve, allowing for more intuitive and efficient operation. Connectivity is another area for potential enhancement. Faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth, and tighter integration with Leica's ecosystem could allow instant transfers, remote control, and seamless workflow for professionals. Enhanced tethering options would also benefit those shooting in studios or on location who require quick previews and reliable file management. Timing and pricing remain uncertain. Following Leica's 4-year cycle, the Q4 would be expected around 2027, but some insiders speculate a possible release in late 2026. The Q3 launched at approximately $5,995, and with the rumored improvements, the Q4 could easily exceed $6,500, possibly approaching $7,000. Leica buyers are accustomed to paying a premium for precision engineering, exceptional design, and the unique shooting experience that only Leica provides. If these rumors are accurate, the Q4 could set a new benchmark for compact full-frame cameras. Combining a stacked sensor, eye-enhanced autofocus, improved video capabilities, better stabilization, and subtle ergonomic upgrades, it could become a near-perfect creative tool for both photographers and hybrid content creators. It would satisfy those who value simplicity and control while also appealing to modern users who need versatility and performance in a portable package. Excitement for the Q4 is already building, with photographers and enthusiasts worldwide eagerly speculating about Leica's next move. If the company continues its tradition of careful refinement while embracing cutting-edge technology, the Q4 could become one of the most impressive compact full-frame cameras ever made. Whether it arrives on time or earlier, it's clear that the Leica Q4 is shaping up to be a milestone in the evolution of high-performance compact photography.